Shifting gears to education now, long overdue. The position of the National Parent Teachers Association of Jamaica this evening to news that the government plans to change a policy which will result in male Rastafarian students no longer having to wear a covering over their dreadlocks while in school. Now, the NPTAJ president, Stuart Jacobs, says this will go a far way in dealing with the wider contentious issue of the grooming policy in schools.
It is long coming. It is a part of the national grooming policy that has been discussed over the last couple of months with the stakeholders, including the NPTAJ, and in conjunction, of course, with the Ministry of Education. It's not yet in policy, but it's a draft that I'm almost certain that will go through with. And I think it ought to go through it because the Rastafarians is a religion in its own right, and they too have a right to dress as they please, or they say their religion is shaping them.
Now, Education and Youth Minister Favour Williams recently announced the planned lifting of the ban on Rastafarian students wearing their dreadlocks in schools without a covering. The NPTAJ president is therefore recommending that a comprehensive public education program be undertaken ahead of the changes.
Without any doubt, a public education campaign has to be enforced so as to allow further expression and further appreciation and awareness. Because I think a lot of times when you listen to parents express themselves and PTA bodies express themselves about it, you can see where there's no real understanding to some degree as to why it is that a Rastafarian would have taken a Nazarene vow not to wear their lock. So the Ministry of Education, along with the National Parent Teachers Association of Jamaica, would definitely be in tandem together with a national awareness campaign.
And from that